Yesterday I posted a video on how to make two different types of rosettes, but I didn't post how to use them because normally when I do the tutorials I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I knew I was going to make embellishments. So anyway, I'm going to show you the embellishments and then I'm just going to quickly explain what I did on each one. So these were some popsicle or sucker sticks that I bought at Walmart in the party section, and when I saw the tub of them I thought, oh my gosh, those are just so cute, I want to do something with them. So the purple embellishments I made last night, I took today and I cut out this DSP paper, which I'll put a link below in the description if you like that DSP paper where you can get it. So for this one I punched a scallop circle in glitter and then adhered that to the front of the rosette, and then I fussy cut out these images. I put them into a Word document and I made them about an inch, inch and a half either wide or tall so that it would fit on the rosette. Then I got these little stickers, egg stickers at the Dollar Tree, and I adhered one, and then there's two different ones that have the little star in the center. So what I did was I took glossy accents and I filled the stars just to give them kind of a different look, because I didn't want just the glitter to show through, although it does with the glossy accents, but it kind of gives it that little 3D pop. So, and then I took my Spectrum Noir glitter pens and I colored in different parts of the little bunny's blue little overalls there on that one. And then on this one, I used the clear Spectrum Noir glitter and just did the little tassels on the banner and then the little designs that are on the egg. And that's those two. So let's see, I'll put those there. And then the other two, I did same thing, fussy cut out the images, put them on there, used the Spectrum Noir glitter pens, put the egg, and then I put a little heart acrylic dot on there for that one. And I really like how these turned out. I think they're so cute. And whoever the recipient of this swap, she can take these off and reuse them as an embellishment if she wants to. They're just glued on with hot glue. So again, fussy cut, put the little Spectrum Noir glitter pen, put the little egg, and then a little acrylic purple heart on those. So those are the four paper rosettes that I made last night, or yesterday when I did my video. And then these next ones turned out really cute. I ended up breaking out my Easter cupcake liners, and I made four big rosettes using the flower, which now when I look back, the flowers are kind of small, so you can't really see them in the background, but they're there. And so what I did for these is I put the little piece of paper down on the cupcake liner, and then I cut a big circle out in the back, put that down, and that kind of gives it some sturdiness. And then I cut around the edges with just the edge scissors. I have like a huge assortment of those. So I just cut around the edges, and then I put some eyelash trim, which is like, this one's kind of like a rainbow color. Put that down on the circle, and then I hot glued the paper flower on top of that. And then I got these little table confetti, I think is what they're called, at Walmart in the Easter section, and I just picked out 4 different ones and put those down, and then I fussy cut this image out and used the glitter green Spectrum Noir pen on this one. And then I made a little bow with it's a 10-second bow maker, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can get that. These save so much time, and I'm really bad at making bows, so this saves me every time, and I made 4 bows really quick. So anyway, so I adhered that on, and then I die cut this little banner out. It was just a banner die cut that I had in my stash, and then put little gems on each of the banners, and hot glued the egg down, then I hot glued the bow, and then I hot glued this onto the top of that. So I really like how that one turned out. Same thing for this one. You know, fussy cut, Spectrum Noir glitter pen, 10-second bow, little banner, gemstones, egg, flower, eyelet, and then the paper, the cupcake liner. So again, trimmed it with my little scissors, put a little circle on the back for that one. And then this one did the same thing. This one you can see the flower a little bit more, so it's cute. But did this one I just kind of did a little jagged cut around the edges with just regular scissors, and then a bow, the banner, the little gemstones, and then the Spectrum Noir glitter pen. And this one's green, so I have like I think there's 3 sets of the Spectrum Noir glitter pens, and each set was different colors. So I've got a big array of colors to do stuff like that. And then this is the last one. So this one has a purple little egg on it. Again, the cupcake liner, and then the circle on the back. And all I do is I put glue on this, and then I cut the center of the cupcake liner out, and then I kind of fit it over the circle, press it down, and then I just use my fancy little edge scissors to cut around the edges. And then again, eyelash trim, the little paper flowers that I made out of with this die, and crepe paper. So made the rosette and then cut it with that die, so it made a flower. But and then the banner, the little gemstones, the fussy cutting of the Happy Easter egg, and then the glitter Spectrum Noir. Put that all together, and those are going to be my embellishments for a swap I'm doing for Easter. So anyway, I just wanted to come back and show you that yes, I do use the things that I make in my tutorials, and give you some different ideas of things to do. So one more thing I want to share is in one of my other videos before yesterday's video, I had made this memory decks card, and just kind of wanted to come back and show you what I did. So the eggs, I added glitter glue on those as decoration, and then I added this little hippity hoppity sign, distressed the edges with brown just like I did on the memory decks card, and then I added 3 little gemstones. So this one's ready to go out in the swap that I did for the Easter memory decks card. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and then the little bell icon to the right, and that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Thanks a lot, and I hope everybody's having a blessed Sunday.